Yes, I've got gobs of projects, and today I'm going to show you around and let you see the complete tour of what all I am doing. In my last video, I talked about taking a typical food container, like a Rubbermaid food container, and converting that over into hydroponics. Now, the build and the concept are great, but sometimes the best plans go upside down. And what I found is that I am not getting germination on these rock wool cubes, and in part that was because I decided to use an old seed packet, butter bowl lettuce, and I just think that the seed is I'm going to have poor germination, so I'll probably be switching out to something different to start in this system. The clone station that I built out of a 5-gallon bucket is still sitting unused, and because of needing to get more plants going for my winter grow, I may skip cloning for right now and just pull these neoprene clone collars out, plant these up with rock wool as well so I can get some more seeds started. I have some products that I'll be testing, and Fit Leaf Nutrients, Grow Star Quantum Board, Osri LED Grow Light. So there's a lot more that'll be coming up. Projects using the Mars Hydro TS1000 and Horticultural Lighting Group 100-watt quantum board have been successful. The zucchini plant that I put underneath the Mars light has been growing since summer. It is almost Christmas, and seriously, this thing is just out of control. If you're ever looking for some plant to grow that you'd like to have lots of food come off of, this would be it. This thing is just crazy. One of the things that I'm looking at is, since I'm not using a grow tent, is where to put all these additional lights, because I cannot run those from the ceiling. So one of the things I found at a local hardware store was this bracket, and I think this is supposed to go into a closet with a rod that goes from one bracket to another to hang clothes on. But what I'm thinking about doing is just using it against the wall and running a yo-yo light hanger off of it. That way I can get a little bit more going on inside. Years past, I built these glass jars. I shouldn't say build, but I painted them. They came from a craft store with black paint and then white paint over the top, just to give them a lighter color. And I left a piece of tape on the side to keep the paint off so I could watch the nutrient level inside the jar. Using non-circulating or cracky hydroponics, I had these set up on my windowsill. As you could tell, I have about close to 8 feet of windowsill, and I get enough sunlight coming off of that to grow a lot of plants successfully using nothing more than the office LED lights in the ceiling and the window light. This is a jar that I just couldn't help passing by. It was in one of the stores when I was out shopping, and I liked the shape of it, the color, and I realized that light will probably pass through there and cause an algae problem if I put nutrient water in it, so I may have to paint it or wrap it. But I found that an Aero Garden basket will drop right into the top of that, and I could put a planting plug into that, and I should be able to grow a plant using this particular vase. I'm looking forward to that as well. So there you have it. That's what's going on in my world.